Juja police officers have recovered goods whose value is approximated to be 2.5 million shillings. The police say the goods were allegedly stolen around Juja Sub County. One suspect is in police custody as investigations continue.
In a shop situated at Kahoro Estate in Juja area, police recovered this assortment of goods believed to have been stolen. The police raid led to the recovery of phones, gas cylinders, construction tools, iron boxes, laptops, among other electronic devices. One man suspected to be a Shylock was arrested. According to the police, he has been operating without a permit.
We have the person who was with this suspecting stolen items, and roughly the value of the items here with me now is around 2.5 million Kenya shillings. But we're going to give the exact value after we've done that.
Police are in pursuit of the suspect's other associates. Kiambu County Police Commander Adiel Nyange has appealed to the university, especially Jomo Kenyatta University students, to visit the Juja police station to identify the goods. Eunice Omolo, NTV.